I wanted to take a second to talk a little bit about being prepared to work in the heat. For many summers I wore short sleeve shirts and shorts, and I still wear shorts, but I like wearing long sleeves. It's very light, it has SPF, so I'm actually protected from the sun's rays. The reason that I prefer this is if I'm going to be out in the garden for more than about 30 minutes, to keep my body temperature cool, I want to keep the sun off of my skin because that energy absorbs into my skin, and if I can avoid that, the better off I am. I also recommend a big dorky, or maybe yours isn't so dorky, a big floppy hat that'll cast a shade all around my face. Hats look a little less dorky, but they don't provide any coverage for your neck or the side of your face. I also suggest a pair of good sunglasses that have decent lenses, so you don't get sun damage. Now, if you're going to be working much over 30 minutes, I like having something like this that I can get wet and then put around my neck. Okay, I can get it wet and let it kind of drip down, and whenever this shirt is wet and I'm working, I actually stay very comfortable. So this is some advice. You can take it if you want, but good hat, a loose fitting long sleeve shirt, a good pair of sunglasses will go a long way for you this summer.